We are rebuilding this 1984 mobile home, and right now it needs walls. So that's what I'm going to be doing, is starting the walls today. I'm going to cut a bottom plate, mark out my studs, and get this middle dividing wall built. This home is about 60 feet long, and right here is the center mark of the home. So right here is going to be the most important wall in my mind. It's going to add a lot of strength and rigidity to the home, so we don't have a 60-foot span of unsupported wall. So it's going to be a sheer wall in the center. So that's why I'm starting here, and then everything else can come afterwards. First thing I'm going to do is cut this one down to 13 foot 1 1/4 inches. That's how wide the home is. I came the other day just to make sure that I had my wall layout correct. So I have these here with markings on them just because I was templating. So now I'm just going to basically transfer these markings onto this piece, which is going to be my bottom plate. A couple of small updates. I got these big old 2x8s in our walls, and these are going to act as supports where the wall is going to be. It basically just gives me some corner nailers on either side of my wall. We also got our bottom plate all screwed down, so it's looking good. It's in place where it needs to be, I believe, I hope. And now we're going to be attaching some wood to the ceiling to make the top plate of our wall on this cathedral part.
I'm gonna hold it anywhere down here.
Are you able to?
Yeah, if I have a board.
Shouldn't go anywhere. Let's get the other one up, make sure they're gonna fit.
And then the fun starts.
All right, I just went through and marked where all the studs are gonna hit on that top plate. I did that by taking my laser level, setting it on the bottom plate right where the stud is, and then just marking the top where the laser touched, because the laser goes straight up. So now I know exactly where all of my studs will be in relationship to the bottom. And now I have a measuring point, so I can measure and try to cut it to this angle. I'm not even sure what this angle is. I just guessed. It looks like it's around 10-degree cut up there that I did. I'll do some experimenting, see what we get, but it's coming together. You're right, I should just go piece by piece and pop them in, right?
Yeah.
I should get a new blade on this saw.
What?
I should get a new blade on this saw, it's getting hard to cut. That'll work. Looks good? Okay. Making progress. That's a divider so that we can have a wall right on the back side here. We're gonna have a wall go that way, so that's where it's gonna hook on. Now we just gotta frame this opening. There's gonna be obviously a doorway right here. So now we gotta make some big decisions about how big our door opening is. Well guys, I just finished up and I wanted to show you the results. The wall is looking really good. Got the doorway all framed in. Now you can start seeing it take shape. We're still gonna cut out this bottom plate from the wall so that the floor is smooth, but we'll do that later. But there it is. Now you might wonder about headers. I decided not to build a header because this is not a load-bearing wall. It's not carrying any weight above it. There's no roof load, so no header is necessary. And I know some people like building them out just for fun to make it look professional, but this is good for our needs. I'm very pleased with it. This is a big step forward in this process because now we can build off of this wall.
Yep.
To build this way. And each wall we build is going to help connect the next piece. It's going to be really cool. Now we do have some plywood on the side here, and we were going to use that plywood to make our shear wall. And what I want to do is attach it on the back side here across the wall, put in a ton of screws, and then it's going to be really stiff. It'll help brace the home. But I just don't have time for it today. We want to get home. We did enough. This project took longer than we expected because I really wanted to get those measurements right, and I wasn't exactly sure if I was laying out the doorway correctly. Sometimes you really got to plan your space because once you build it, it's kind of too late. So what I like to do is draw it out on the bottom plate and really get a feel of where everything's going to be and decide before I commit to it. So came out good. Today, I'm carrying on with the soffit work around our house. It's quick and easy, just this one section right here to the corner. So we'll get that done.
And I'll just hold it.
Yep. Holding my hose. It shouldn't go anywhere. Can you go up there and line me up? Okay.
These are going to be blown off or something before you paint them. Full of sawdust.
Nothing too special to show, but we do have a hole to drill. We got to cut that out. That's for the bathroom ventilation. So just got my measurements and we're going to go ahead and mark it out on our board, cut a hole. I don't have a hole saw that big. I'll have to jigsaw it and we'll get it put up there. You're spreading it open, I think. Perfect.
That's it.
Okay. The sun is shining super bright, but we got our soffits done. I wanted to show you. And now that that's all wrapped up, we can get out of the sun. So I think we're just gonna get clean up all of our tools, our extra wood scraps, and take a break for now. Right now it's like midday. We got the hot sun coming overhead, so we can find some shady things to do. And we'll be planning out the next steps, which is gonna be trim work around all the windows. We're gonna be trimming out before doing the siding. So that's gonna be another shopping trip, more lumber. I don't know if we'll get to that soon, but hopefully soon. Alright guys, I guess that's all we have for now, so thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.